Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm preparing for my family this blessed Saturday evening turkey sauce. Let's do it. Okay, the turkey was already cut up by the butcher. And I've already washed them in a vinegar and water solution. Now I'm just giving them a light seasoning with salt and lime. Then I'm going to put them on to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. That's going to be the first boil. Then I will throw the water off and do it again. The second boil will be a shorter time for about 5 minutes. Let's go. It's 10 minutes later. Clean water. No additional seasoning, and I'm just checking them. See, they're almost finished. I don't want them dropping off the bone, falling off the bone. No way. So they're going to go for 5 more minutes. Okay. This is important because turkey wings, they have a lot of fat in them. So boil them off. Be safe. Okay, this water that I'm adding here now is for the seasoning, final boil. So I'm going to add all of the seasonings and all the goodness to this one. All of this is going. I have a half ripe plantain. The plantain is optional. That's what I want. I don't like too much of the potatoes. So the potatoes are for my husband and daughter, and the plantains are for me. It's a lime juice, onion pieces, allspice or pimento berries, red pepper flakes, or you can use goat pepper. Whichever you have, you use them. But we use the flakes in this house. 1 or 2 bay leaves and some salt to taste. Salt to taste. Give it a good mixing and allow it to finish up. Okay, I stopped it at about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm adding in the veggies. The stove is still on medium. That's the plantains. Next is the potatoes and carrots. Make sure you adjust the seasonings, the salt and the lime, whatever you're putting in it, pepper, before covering it up and allowing it to finish up. Okay, these turkey, they're just about cooked, but I just want them to get a little softer. Just a little softer so that it wouldn't be no problem to eat. How does that sound? They're ready now. See? It's soft. I don't want them falling off the bone. I don't like it like that. So I'm just going to cover it down and let it do its thing. All right. Look at that. Giving it a little check after 3 minutes. The plantains, they are almost finished. The potatoes aren't quite ready as yet. So I'm just turning it down some, just so that it can finish up. For 3 to 5 minutes more on low. I made this Johnny cake Same recipe, but I just put it in a loaf pan. Look at it. And it is so good. Nice dense bread. The sauce is ready. Hun, dinner is ready. This is a norm on Friday or Saturday night. We either have stew or sauce. I made turkey sauce today. Look at that. Nice and soft. Perfectly cooked. Not falling off the bone. But everyone is holding their own. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.